In the lush green hills of Meghalaya, Rojiniar Longshiang, a man driven by a deep-rooted love for the natural beauty of his homeland, determined to make a change. Rojiniar took it upon himself to clean his community, and what began as a small-scale effort soon became a powerful mission.
Since the age of 14, Rojiniar Longshiang, a resident of Penorsla, has dedicated himself to promoting cleanliness and environmental conservation across his hometown and beyond. Motivated by a vision of a cleaner Meghalaya, he has worked tirelessly to set an example for others by highlighting Mawlanong village, the cleanest village in Asia, as a model for environmental sustainability.
Ngalali khar ngalali wat keleng ngalali chet segi sinong gibreu keleng bat ke upor ngaji hikair tadi gibreu nada nang khat saus nem don kibar kibeng don kibar sotenat habanga hikaya ki te nang ta ngala sedang ro banseng ini kedukan sethe sethan wardau ki haba pendusla khan pendusla sport sto itu sinong ngabo kedukan bari yang
In 2020, Rojiniar expanded his mission by founding a waste management business hub in Sidon Village, Priboi district. The hub is focused on waste collection, recycling and composting, and it employs over 50 local residents. In addition to promoting environmental sustainability, the initiative also addresses local unemployment, providing meaningful employment opportunities in waste management.
Usnam arcar katnai arthom to lawan to lokdau te namar ba I kemi khun chunga kisa sine ti ong plin o sine te menta ngala plin sine kala don south nam mensuwa kala don tang ba hangne te don tang sang south nam menta.
Rojiniar's commitment and leadership have inspired thousands across Meghalaya, and his vision for a cleaner, greener state continues to make an impact. With his ongoing efforts, Rojiniar is helping shape Meghalaya into one of the cleanest states in India, setting a national standard for environmental stewardship while upholding the legacy of Mawlanong. Bureau Report, TD News, Meghalaya.